Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tiago here. So today we are changing a cabin filter on a 2004, 2005 or 2006 Honda CRV. So first thing that we got to do is open your glove compartment here, and then you have this clip on both sides. I already took this side out, but I'm going to show you how to do this side. You can use a flathead screwdriver, apply, or what do you call one of those tool that you take like paneling out. So you take that out, you just pop that out like this, and it'll come out, and this will come down. And then in here, the cabin filter that I here, there's two of them. There's this little lever right there. You push that in, and then there's a little door that comes out. See it? All right, so that door comes out, and then get in there. There's one filter. You can just wiggle it. It'll come out. Sometimes you get stuck in there, but just wiggle it, nice and easy. There you go. There's one. Look at the difference, guys. Holy moly. And then the other one, you grab the little tab right here, and you can slide it to the side, because there's just this door that's coming. That comes, just this little slot for you to put both of them. So when you put them in, you put them on, and then you slide behind the door like this. You slide them so it can make room for the other one, like that. All right. And then as airflow goes down, when you buy it, they come on this. Yeah, this one is an O'Reilly one. The part is 3037 cabin filter. And when you install them on the air filter, it tells you the airflow goes like this. So you want to make sure that you take the old one out, like that. And then you want to make sure that the airflow is down like this, because that's the way that we put it. Then look at the color down. You can put this back in like this. The airflow is going down. Yep. Going down, and then the way it's got to go back in, it's got to go back with these little two tabs together like that. So you put this one first. This is the right hand side one first, and then you put this one last. And when the door comes, when this little door comes, it latches in there, and then this little two tab will close it like this, that door there. So let's do that now. Film and do this together. So there's one. Right, put one in there. Slide it to the side. Grab the second one. Film and do this at the same time. Also, you guys can learn how to get in there. There you go. Sometimes this plug is in the way, so you just slide that in there. Make sure that you got nothing of that stuff. So it's gonna look like this with two little tabs there. Then you grab this door. Make sure that these two tabs are facing this way. Then it goes in here like that, like this, and then click that in place. That's it. And then, sorry about the trash, guys. But and then you hold it in place like this. You put the tab in there all the way through. Let's see if I can film this. One hand. So you put it in there like this, and then just do it like that. And then when it falls, that holds it. And this is the other side. You do the same thing. You put it like this, and then you clip it. Let's see if I can do this one too. While you guys are here, you know, because you guys. There you go. Oh, sorry. Right there. There it is. And you let it go. That's it. Alright guys, thank you so much. Share, comment, subscribe. What do you guys want more of these videos? Have a good one. See ya. Let's go.